Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So we are doing the Walmart and Sam's Club haul this time around, and I'm not going to do the what's for dinner this week because my sister-in-law and my brother is over and they absolutely love those videos. So they want to be surprised, so we're not going to do that. But I do have a special guest that wants to be in the video, and it's my brother Patrick whenever he comes over here. In a second. He's texting right now. But anyways, this is my brother. He plays video games. He has a YouTube channel, I think, still, right?
No.
Oh, never mind. He does Twitch. Do you do Twitch? No. Nope, he doesn't do anything. He just plays video games. Anyway, so he's going to be my special guest, and he's going to, like, point at stuff if he wants to. But anyway, so we are going to start off on the Sam's. All right, so Sam's. Patrick, get ready to point.
I'm ready.
So we got this, we're starting right here, Patrick. This is going to be funny. All right, so we got a pack of steaks for $12.53. We got a pack of pork chops. A big pack of hamburger patties that we're actually just going to use as ground beef. We got some strawberries. My mom wanted some bananas, so we got bananas. This is hers. Then we got some broccoli for some dinners. Jared picked up some peanut butter filled pretzels. I won't be eating those because I really don't like them. And then I wanted the pub mix. So this is, I think it was like $6 for this. Patrick forgot about pointing. Sorry. Oh no. Anyways, Jared wanted this ice cream, the Klondike bars. And they're about, how much were they? $10. Yeah, they're about $10. And I think, oh, and here. We got some Fritos flavored mix chips. This is what I wanted. All right, I got to fix that. All right, so that is everything in Sam's. So moving on to Walmart. We are doing pork bellies tonight because Mama's down. So we're going to have some adobo and some rice. We got some sugar. We got some creamer. 1 tomato. Some tacos for a recipe this week. And it's not actual tacos, you'll see. We got some ranch seasoning for a dinner this week. Brown gravy for dinner. We got some oranges. Avocado. Bananas. These are mine because I didn't think we were going to go to Sam's. Mama wanted some donuts and they were only $1, so she got some donuts. I got a newspaper so I can get the coupons. And then for Jared and I's Valentine's, I wanted this ring fit adventure, which was like $70. They're originally like $80 at Best Buy, but we got this. And then Jared wanted Pokemon Shield.
Did he want it or did you want it?
He wanted that because I told him to pick out a game.
I bet.
Anyway, so this is everything that we spent. It was roughly probably about, I don't know, 200, maybe 250. That's including the games and stuff. But anyways, so that is everything that I got. I hope y'all enjoyed these videos. Let me know down below if you are liking these videos, and please subscribe down below. And I think my sister-in-law probably wants to say hi. She always comments on my videos. But anyways, I will see you guys later, and hopefully y'all have a great week. Bye.